Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make an appetizer or snack under this whole food plant-based diet. Today's recipe is going to be crispy buffalo cauliflower. The prep time is around 15 minutes, actually under 15 minutes. And the cook time, I'm going to cook it in the oven anywhere between 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how crispy you would like the cauliflower to be. Before I start cooking the appetizer, I just want to give you a little update. For the past month, I have been experimenting with this whole food plant-based diet. My husband actually has seen quite a bit of loss of weight, like he lost around 5 pounds in 1 month. I haven't seen much changes in myself. I would say I lost around 2 pounds, but I also received a big setback because along with the whole food plant-based diet, I also started doing intermittent fasting. So I was eating for 8 hours and for 16 hours I was not, I was fasting. And sometimes it was 17 hours I was fasting and 7 hours I was eating. So that did not sit well with my stomach. I had to go get endoscopy done and it comes out that I have damaged my esophagus and my stomach lining pretty badly. But enough of my story. Let's go ahead and start cooking. So in order to make this crispy buffalo cauliflower, these are the ingredients which is required. Prep time will be around less than 15 minutes. Cook time, it's going to be in the oven. Cook time will be between 20 to 25 minutes, depend on the crispiness. But since we want it crispy, it'll be about 25 minutes. So this is going to be brown flour rice. So I have taken 2/3 cup of this brown flour rice. So here it is. This is what I'm using. Then 2 tablespoons of oat flour, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons paprika, 2 tablespoons of parsley, some salt to taste, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and as you can see, these are all here: parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, and this is the onion powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder. So what I'm going to do is put everything in a mixer, in a blender. So I'm going to mix all these together. And it's going to be add the tomato paste and 2/3 cup of water to blend it. So now it's nice and liquid and smooth, as you can see over here. And then pour it in a bowl. And add the cauliflower florets. Now it's nicely tossed and coated. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I have 2 baking sheets and I am going to line it with parchment paper. The only reason I'm using parchment paper is the cauliflower is going to be nice and crispy, and that is the whole intent. And since we are not using any oil, any other thing, this is so healthy. Just brown rice flour, oat flour, onion, garlic powder, paprika, and nothing in it. So now the next thing is I'm going to go ahead and line it in the baking sheet and just see that it is placed separately from each other so that it cooks nicely. So the oven is ready, 450 degrees. We are ready with the cauliflower, buffalo cauliflower. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 to 25. I'm going to put it for 25 minutes. So let's go. I'm going to put the timer for 25 minutes. And I'm going to see you soon. So it's all ready. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to take it one at a time. It looks nice and crispy. So hot. This is the second one. Looks really crispy. No oil, as you have seen. Okay. So now this is the final product. As you can see, the crispy buffalo cauliflower. And just look at how crispy it is. No oil, as you have seen. So now the end is to drizzle it with habanero. I'm going to use this habanero wing hot sauce. I'm going to drizzle it, and just drizzle it before you are serving it to your friends, family, or yourself. So let me go ahead and drizzle it. Ah, doesn't it look yummy? Just look at it. Let me see how it tastes. Here you go. I'm going to be the taster and let you know how it is. It is very, your friends are going to love it. They won't even know that you haven't put any oil, and it is super, super healthy. Cauliflower is extremely healthy. It's a very good vegetable to have, high in nutrients, has protein in it. And then just use a bit of brown rice flour, oat flour, and the other ingredients as you don't know. Love you guys. I hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Bye.